Hey guys, how to download Buildbox on PC or laptop? Want to create games with Buildbox on your PC but don't know where to start? Most beginners get stuck with downloads or installations. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Buildbox safely on your PC so you can start building your own games today. Stay tuned. First of all, open an internet browser on your laptop. Search in this Buildbox, and then open the Buildbox website. The link is in the description. After that, scroll down and at the bottom there is an option to download for Mac or download for Windows. Click on where you want to download the app. I click on download for Windows. After this the download will start. Please wait. If the downloading is complete, click on its show folder to go to your download folder. And from here double click on Buildbox setup. And here is the browser that will tell you where to install the file in which disk. If it doesn't change, click on Next, and click Next again, and click Next again, and click on Install. From here, your installation will start. Please wait. If your installation are complete, they will open as automatically, and sign in from here or create an account. If you want to create an account, click on Create Account and create an account from here. Your Buildbox will be ready.